You are going to love the 2016 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, traction control, power steering, cruise control, airbags, front knee, trip odometer, heated steering wheel, power windows, fog lights. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.